Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Mechanics, have you ever guys wonder what happens if you jump start your vehicle, instead of the positive you put the negative and you switch them? Well, today we're going to demonstrate. It happened to us accidentally. Sometimes it happens, guys, you're in a hurry, don't pay attention and you think you kill the computer. So stay with us to see how we're going to do that and how we're going to fix the vehicle after that. Okay, watch now. When we switch them, this is positive and we're going to give it negative, and the other way around, and you're going to see the spark coming out of it. Okay, like that. Okay, so now if you go ahead and try to start your vehicle, you will not be able to. As you can see, I turn the key on and nothing happens. You don't even see what gear it is. It's like you don't have connection to the computer anymore, to the transmission computer and to the engine ECU as well. Some cars it's one computer, and you cannot even pull the keys on some of the cars because it has no connection with the transmission, so it doesn't know if you're in park or not. Okay guys, so what you need to do, don't worry, most of the times you didn't burn the ECU. Right here it is. In some cases you might, but probably you'll be 95% you're safe. You need to find the fuses that are in your engine compartment, and this is a Fiat, but it's the same for all the vehicles. And you need to check the fuses that says powertrain. Then, as you can see, we have fuse F09 right here, it says powertrain. So this one, and also F11 right here, and F17. So you need to check all powertrain fuses, and one of them is most likely burned. So we're going to check now and see if it's actually that the case and if it's going to fix the problem. So that's where the fuses are on the little Fiat right here. And now F09 is this fuse right here, that 10 amp, as you can see. So we're going to remove it and see if that's the only burned fuse and if we can fix the problem just by replacing it. And as you can see, let me get a better view. Okay, that thing is burnt, as you can see right here. So we're going to install a new one now, and you just push it in. Make sure you get the right fuse. It might be more than one fuses, guys, and usually you can check the big ones. Sometimes the big one will burn as well. Okay, now we're going to try to start it. Okay, let's see. You can even see P here for parking, so it's contacting with the ECU now. And it fired right up. Right there. Okay guys, so you know how to fix it if it happens to you. Sometimes it does, so please give us a like, don't forget to subscribe. Hopefully guys the video was helpful. Please do not forget to comment, like, subscribe. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Guys, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can, guys, save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Check them out. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.